lot of rain here. Wow. I'm just gonna make a video here till the power comes out. And if you didn't know, our lights came out. Oh my god, don't is this a prank or what? Dude. Look at the drop. Look at the flick at the wrist. Oh crap! What? Oh my god! Dude, even the barbecue thing is floating. God, I hope the. Oh my god! I'm just kidding. I won't break out like that till the power comes out. This is the end of me. Wow. It is raining super hard right now. I am not outside. I'm inside filming through the door to outside. See the back door? Yeah, I'm doing. Yeah, you see the camera, right? You see the camera. Ooh. Crap. Is something pranking us? Is somebody pranking us? Dude, is somebody pranking us? Oh no, the rocks are getting wet. The rocks are getting red. The rocks are getting wet. Crap. Bye, guys.